Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad. Other times we're worried, but none of that is bad. 1 minute we are jealous, the next we're feeling proud. Our feelings can go up and down and spin us all around. But it's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel that way. What can we do when we feel strong emotions that might make us hurt? What?
Yeah, What are you doing?
Well, this is just what we're talking about, Huey. I just didn't get a chance to state the question.
Okay, I will wait patiently until you are done.
Thank you. So, what do we do when we feel
Are you done?
My name is Barbara Fernandez, and I am the Morris PTA president. I'm also a paraeducator here at the school, and I just want to say that this is the most amazing assembly that we have had. The kids were so engaged. It was just a wonderful message. So please continue to do the show. It was amazing.
I'm going to ask you to take that slumpy posture and try to walk around a little bit. How do you feel, Mrs. Johnson? She does not feel so good. I think we should show a reminder of her golden thread. Another thing that we can do is take a breath in. Huey, breathe. And just doing that, we have found valuable quiet time.
Quiet time.
Yes. It's okay, you got it. To feel